Hello dear students, in our previous session we have learned how to solve word problems using arithmetic operators. In today's class we are going to learn about estimation. So here you can see a number. Let us see how the number changes according to the estimation place. So first I am doing the estimation nearest to tens. So always whenever we are doing estimation, we will be comparing the digit by 5. So I am taking here example. With the help of example I will be explaining it to you. Since we have to find the value nearest, it's 10, we have to underline the ones digit. So if it is tens, underline the before place value, that is underline ones. Now after underlining ones, here I have digit 8 in ones place. Now I have to compare 8 by 5. So whatever the digit present in that underlined place, we always compare it using the digit 5. We know that 8 is greater than 5. So if the digit is greater, what we will do? We will add to the number other than the underlined number. So here we have underlined number, I ignored completely. Now I will add 1 to the leftover number. Now I will make this particular underlined place as 0 since it is greater than 5. So the particular number, when we round off to its nearest tens, what happens? 19 crore 23 lakh 45,000. Now after adding 1 here, we will get 6, 5 and it becomes 0. This is how the value changes. If at all round off to nearest 1000, what is the before place value to 1000? That is hundreds. So I have to underline 100 digit now. So the given number is 19 crore 23 lakh 45,648. In this I am underlining hundreds digit. So after underlining 100 digit, I have to always compare using 5. So 6 is greater than 5. What am I supposed to do? I have to add 1 to the leftover number and everything including underlined digit I have to make towards its right as zeros. So now after adding 1 to it, I will get 19 comma here 2 3 and 4. I added 1 to 5, so 6. This everything becomes zeros. Now if the same number we are going to round off to its nearest 10,000s or 1 lakh. Let us see nearest lakh. So in order to find the value nearest lakh, which value we have to underline? We have to underline 10,000s digit. The digit which is present in 10,000 place we have to underline. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So underlined digit is 4. Let us compare the underlined digit by 5. Now we can see clearly 4 is less than 5. If it is less than, what are we supposed to do? We have to write the before, whatever the digits are left over before underlined digit, we will write as it is, and from underlined digit towards its right, we will make everything 0. So this is the value of the given number. When we write to its nearest lakh, it changes to this value. Now let us see if we write to nearest 10,000s, what happens. So before 10,000 we will get 1000 place value. So we have to underline in this particular number thousands digit. So what is the 1000 digit? 1000 digit in the given number is 5. So we are going to compare 5 by 5. What we can say? 5 is equal to 5. So what we will do in this case? If 5 is equal to 5 or if the underlined digit is greater than 5, we always add 1 to the leftover digit. It means towards the left side of the underlined digit. So here we will get 1923, 4 plus 1 is 5, and including underlined digit towards its right, we will write it as zeros. So this is the number when we change the given number to its nearest 10,000. Now let us see few questions based on the concept of estimation. That is, to estimate sum or difference. So, how to estimate sum or difference? Let us take the number 3459 plus 2468. We will check what is the highest number of the digit, and also I have, if suppose, 954. Here the number of digits are 4, here the number of digits 4, number of digits 3, and in this the highest place value is 100. So, what we will do? In all the numbers we will be rounding off to its high hundreds place. So, let us underline tens place here, here also tens place, and in this number also tens place. Now, we will write what will be the number after underlining the tens digit. Here we have 5, as we already discussed, whatever the underlined digit we have to compare it using 5. So, 5 is equal to 5, let us add 1 to before the digits whatever are left over, and next left over will be zeros. Here 6 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the before, that is to the left of the underlined digit, that is 24 plus 1, here we will get 25, and underlined digit is 0, and towards the right of it also will be 0. Next is 954, in which 9 is the underlined digit. So, 5 is the underlined digit, 5 is equal to 5. In this case, to the left of the underlined digit we will add 1. So, 9 becomes 10, and along with the underlined digit towards the right we will just make it 0. Now, we will be adding like regularly how we do addition. So, that is the method what we follow to find the estimation of sum. Same procedure even we follow for the difference. I am taking here numbers 9846 minus 3219. Now, we can see both the numbers are having same number of digits, that is 4 digits here, 4 digits here. In this case, the highest place value is 1000, so we will be rounding off to its thousands. So, underline hundreds digit in both the numbers. Here we have 8, 8 is greater than 5. So, what are we supposed to do? To the left of the number or to the left of the digits whatever are present plus 1. So, here 9 plus 1 gives us 10, and along with the underlined digit towards its right we will make it as all zeros, minus here in the second number underlined digit is 2, 2 is smaller than 5. So, what we will do in this case? We will not add anything, whatever is towards the left of underlined digit we will write as it is. Now, along with the underlined digit towards its right we will make everything 0. Now, we will find the difference between 10,000 and 3,000. So, that is how we will do estimation of sum or difference. Next one is estimation of products. So, here we have two numbers like 3940 into 245. Here if I see 3940, this is the general rule. So, here I will be rounding off this particular first number to its thousands. So, that for that purpose I will be underlining the hundreds place. 100 place here is 9. I know 9 is greater than 5. So, we have to add 1 to the left side of a underlined digit. 3 plus 1 is 4, and the rest everything I have to write it as zeros. Into, here we have the highest place value as 100. So, we are going to find the estimation nearest to 100. So, underline tens place. Tens place is 4. We know 4 is smaller than 5. So, we will not do anything. Here we will write as it is. So, left side whatever the numbers or whatever the digits are there we will write as it is, including underlined digit towards its right we will make it zeros. Now, we will do multiplication as it is. So, this is how we do estimation. Estimation is nothing but always we will check to nearest what value they are asking us to find. Is it nearest to 100 or is it nearest to thousands or is it nearest to 10,000? Based on that we will underline the before place value. Like if they are asking us to find the estimation of a number nearest to 1000, then what is the before place value? That is 100. We have to underline hundreds. Then we will compare the underlined digit by 5. Always we underline and we compare that particular digit by 5 only. If the underlined digit is smaller than 5, then whatever is towards the left of the underlined digit we will write as it is, and including underlined digit towards its right we will mark it as zeros. If at all the underlined digit is greater than or equal to 5, then towards the left of the underlined digit to entire number or entire digit we will be adding 1 to the left of the underlined digit, and also we will make the underlined digit and also towards the right of the underlined digits as zeros. So, already we have learnt about estimation and how we can do estimation of products as well as sum. Now, let us do few problems based on the concept what we have learnt. Estimate each of the following using general rule. So, first question is 730 plus 998. So, here 3 digits, so I will be rounding off to its nearest 100. So, 730 plus 990. Since I am rounding off to its nearest 100, I will be underlining its tens place digit. So, here we have 3 in tens place. So, 3 is smaller than 5. So, what are we supposed to do? We are not supposed to add anything or subtract, right, as it is whatever is present before underlined digit, and including underlined digit towards the right make everything 0. Here the underlined digit is 9 which is greater than 5. So, we have to add 1 to the preceding, it means towards the left of the underlined digit. 9 plus 1 gives us 10, and along with underlined digit towards its right we will mark it as 0. Now, 700 plus 1000, that gives us answer 1700. So, this is the estimated sum of the given question. Next one, 796 minus 314. So, here the highest number of digits are 3, here it is 3. So, let us round off to its hundreds place. So, I am underlining tens digit, here also I am underlining tens digit. Here we have 9, I know 9 is greater than 5. So, we have to add 1 to the left of the underlined digit whatever is present. So, 7 plus 1 is 8. Let us make underlined digit 0 and also what is there towards its right side, minus here we have underlined digit as 1 which is smaller than 5. So, we will write whatever is present towards the left of the underlined digit, including underlined digit towards its right we will make it as zeros. So, finally 800 minus 300 gives us 500. Next, 12,904 plus 2,888. Now, here we have 5 digits, here we have 4 digits. The least number of digits is 4. So, we have to round off to its closest to 1000. Since I am rounding off to nearest 1000, I will underline hundreds, the digit which is present in hundreds place. Here it is 9, the underlined digit. 9 is greater than 5. So, what are we supposed to do? We have to add 1 to the left of the underlined digit. So, 12 plus 1 is 13, and including underlined digit towards its right everything becomes 0 plus. Now, in the next number the underlined digit is 8 which is greater than 5. So, we have to add 1 to the left of the underlined digit. So, here we have 2 plus 1 is 3, and including underlined digit and everything towards the right I am going to mark it as 0. 13,000 plus 3,000. So, the final answer is 16,000. Next, last question. 28,292 minus 21,496. Number of digits in first number and number of digits in second number are same. So, let us round off this to nearest 10,000. So, let us underline thousands place value in both the numbers. In first number 8 is the underlined digit which is greater than 5. So, let us add 1 to the left side of the underlined digit. 2 plus 1 is 3, including underlined digit towards its right we will mark it as 0. Same thing we are going to do here. 1 is the underlined digit. So, 1 is less than 5. We will write the left of the underlined digit whatever is present as it is, and now including underlined digit towards its right everything will mark it as 0. Now, 30,000 minus 20,000 gives us 10,000. Next question. give a rough estimation by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimation by rounding off to its nearest tens. So, here we are going to round off nearest to hundreds as well as nearest to tens. So, first question, I am rounding off 439 to nearest hundreds first. So, I have to underline tens place. So, I underline tens place in all the numbers. So, 3 is smaller than 5. So, this can be written as 400 plus here also underline digit is 3 which is smaller than 5. So, before digit will remain as it is and including underline digit after the digits whatever the digit is underlined next to that everything becomes 0. Next here 4 and 3 remain same because 1 is smaller than 5. Now, let us add all these values. 400 plus 300 is 700, 700 plus 4300, the value gives us 5000. This is nearest hundreds. Now, nearest tens. So, the same question I am writing 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Since it is nearest to tens, which digit I have to underline? Yes, we have to underline ones digit. In first number the underlined digit is 9 which is greater than 5. So, to the before existing digit or before existing number let us add 1. 43 plus 1 44 and let us mark this as 0 plus here also 4 we are comparing with 5. 4 is smaller than 5. So, 3 and 3 remain same and underlined digit becomes 0. Next 431 and here underlined digit is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So, we have to add 1 to the existing number. 431 plus 1 gives us 432 and underlined digit becomes 0. Let us add all these numbers now. So, I am writing here 4320 plus 330 plus 440. So, here we have 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 1 plus 4 5. So, finally, here the estimated answer to its nearest 10 is 5090. Now, let us do the next question. Here the values are given as 1,08,734 minus 47,599. So, nearest hundreds we are going to do first. So, 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Since they are asking nearest 100, we have to underline tens place. So, I underline tens place. In the first number, 3 is present which is smaller than 5. So, we will be writing the before to the left of the underlined digit as it is, including underlined digit to the right we will mark it as 0. Next, here we have underlined digit 9 which is greater than 5. So, let us add 1 to the existing number here. 475 plus 1 gives us 476 and here everything becomes 0. So, this can be written as 47,000 and 5 becomes 6 and these are 0 0. Now, let us find the difference between these two. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Next, 7 minus 6 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, 0 minus 4 is not possible. So, when I take borrow 10 minus 4 will be 6. So, the estimated difference of the given two numbers to its nearest 100 is 61,100. Now, we have to find the value nearest its tens. So, the same number I am writing 108,734 minus 47,599. So, since it is nearest to tens, we will be underlining ones place. So, here the ones place digit is 4 which is smaller than 5. So, I will be writing the number as it is before digits and I will mark underlined digit as 0. Here we have underlined digit as 9 which is greater than 5. So, let us add 1 to it. So, it becomes 4 7 5 9 plus 1 gives us 6 0 and this also becomes 0. Now, let us quickly find the difference of these two. So, I am going to write the number here 108730 minus 47600. So, 0 minus 0 is 0, 3 minus 0 is 3, 7 minus 6 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1 and here we will be taking borrow 10 minus 4 is 6. So, finally, the answer for the given question to its nearest tens is 61,130. This is the answer. Now, let us move on to the next question. So, the same question is continuing. We have two more questions to solve. So, C 8325 minus 491. So, first we have to find the value nearest hundreds, then to nearest tens. So, this is nearest 100. Let us underline first tens place. This is tens and here it is 10. So, since 2 is smaller than 5, the before digits we will write as it is and these two we will make it as 0. Minus 9 is greater than 5. So, we will be adding 1 to the before, that is left side of the underlined digit. 4 plus 1 is 5 and the rest all will become 0. So, 8300 minus 500 gives us 7800. So, this is the value of the estimated difference of the given numbers to its nearest hundreds. Now, to nearest tens. So, underlined digit will be, since it is nearest to tens, we will underline its ones place. So, in the first number underlined digit is 5 which is equal to 5. So, let us add 1 to before the before numbers, that is 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So, 8330 minus 1 is the underlined digit. So, we will not add anything, we will write the before digits as it is and we will mark the underlined digit as 0. So, let us subtract these two numbers, that is 8330 minus 490. 0 minus 0 is 0, 3 minus 9 is possible. So, I am taking borrow here, 13 minus 9 is 4, 2 minus 4 is not possible, 12 minus 4 is 8 and here we have 7. So, the value of the estimation of difference to nearest tens is 7840. Now, let us do other question, that is D. 4,89,348 minus 48,365. So, its nearest hundreds. So, for that we have to underline tens digit. So, here this is tens digit and in the second number 6 is the tens digit. Since 4 is smaller than 5, we will write left of the underlined digit as it is, that is 4893 and along with underlined digit we will mark it as 0. Now, here we have 6 as underlined digit. So, we have to add 1 to the before digit. So, 3 plus 1 is 4 and the remaining zeros. Now, let us find the difference between these two numbers, 4,89,300 minus 48,400. 0 0 8 and here 13, 13 minus 4 is 9, 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 4 4 and here we have 4. So, what is the answer? Here we got the answer as 4,40,900. This is the answer when we find the difference of those two numbers to its nearest hundreds. Now, let us find what will be the answer when we find to the answer to its nearest tens. Now, I am taking the number 4,89,348 minus 48,365. In order to find the number which is close to its tens place, we have to underline its ones place. Here ones place is 8. So, 8 is greater than 5. So, we will be adding 1 to the before number, that is 48934. 4 is there, 4 becomes 5, underlined digit becomes 0. Now, their underlined digit is 5 which is equal to 5. So, we will be adding 1 to the before, that means the left side of the underlined digit. So it becomes 4, 8, 3, 6 plus 1 becomes 7 and the underlying digit becomes 0. Now quickly let us find the difference between the two numbers what we got after rounding off to the number to its nearest tens. So that is 4,89,350 minus 48,370. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Next subtraction is not possible. 15 minus 7 is 8. 2 minus 3 is not possible. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. And here we have 4. So the answer here is 4,40,980 when we find the difference of those two numbers to its nearest tens. Now let us move on to other question. Estimate the following products using given rule. So the first question is 578 and 161. So we have to use the general rule. So 578 can be rounded off as, so we will underline, so we have to round off this one to nearest 100. So underline tens digit, 7 is the tens place. So 7 is greater than 5, it becomes 600. And now similar way, if we round off 161, when we underline tens place, this becomes 200 because 6 is greater than 5. Now if we find the product, when you have zeros, we will follow this method, like we will just multiply the numbers, then we will add how many number of zeros are there at the end. 6 times 2 is 12. Now add 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros to the answer. So this is the estimated product. Now next one is, here we have 4 digits, here we have 4 digits. So let us round off to its thousands place. So underline hundreds digit. Both the 100 digits are smaller than 5. So first number remains as 5,000. Second number remains as 3,000. Now 3 times 5 is 15 and we are going to write here 3 plus 3, 6 zeros after 15. So this is the estimated product of the next question. So here we have 4 digits. Let us round off to its thousands. So when we round off it to 1000, we have to underline 100 place, which is 2. When we find the nearest value, it becomes 2 is smaller than 5, so 1 remains as it is. So this becomes 1000 and 592. I am going to round off to its nearest 100. So underline tens digit is 9, which is greater than 5. So add 1 to the left of the underline digit, 5 becomes 6. So 6 and 0, 0. 1 into 6 is 6 and we have here 3 zeros and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So write 5 zeros here. Next, last question. 9,250 into 29. So here, since we have 4 digits, always we will be rounding off to its 1000. So underline hundreds place. Here we have 2 digits, so we will be rounding off to its nearest 10. So underline ones digit. When we round off this number to its 1000, 2 is underlined digit, compare it with 5, 2 is smaller than 5, so 9 remains as it is, rest all will be zeros. Into 9 we have here underlined digit which is greater than 5, so 2 plus 1, 3 and it becomes 0. 9 3s are 27 and we have 3 zeros and 1 0, 3 plus 1, 4 zeros. So this is the final estimated answer. So in this particular class we have learned what is estimation, what is the basic rule to find the estimation of the given number, and also we have learned about how to find the estimated products, how to find estimated sum, how to find estimated difference, and also we have solved the related questions of the concept. I hope you have enjoyed today's session. If you want more conceptual videos like this, do subscribe to Vidwath Learning app and share it. Till then, take care.